Hello guys, if you wanna change the default application on your Motorola One Zoom, for the first you have to go to the settings. Now you have to go to the apps and notification and of course click on advanced default apps, and we can try to change the browser, but as you can see there's only one browser on our phone, so we have to download one of following like Opera. So go to the Google Play Store and just download your next browser. Now we have to wait until this application finished installing. And now when we go back to the browser, we can just choose again default apps, browser, and now we can just choose which browser going to be our default. So I will of course stay with the Chrome. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.